Welcome to the English Zone channel. In today's lesson, we're going to practice how to greet someone and how to introduce yourself to someone. I'm going to tell you some expressions about greeting, and after that, I will tell you a very, very short story where you can practice greeting someone, how to introduce yourself, and, of course, you will learn some vocabulary. So let's get started. In the morning, if you want to say hi to someone, you can say, good morning. In the afternoon, after 12 p.m., if you want to say hi to someone, you say, good afternoon. In the evening, maybe after 5 p.m., if you want to say hi to someone, you say, good evening. What do you say at night? Good night? You do not say good night for saying hello, for greeting. Good night is for goodbye at night. So if you are with someone and then you are ready to leave and it's maybe like 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 11 p.m., you say, okay, I have to go. Good night, or have a good night. But for greeting, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And if you introduce yourself to someone, you say, my name is Tim. Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is Ahmed. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Jordan. How about you? Or what about you? The title of this short story is A New Friend. Last Sunday, Tim went to the park with his soccer ball at 10 a.m. or 10 in the morning. He saw a guy in the park. Tim said to him, good morning, my name is Tim. What's your name? The guy replied, hi, my name is Ahmed. Nice to meet you, Tim. Tim said, nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Ahmed said, I am from Jordan. Where are you from? Or, what about you? How about you? Tim said, I am from California. Do you like to play soccer with me? Ahmed said, yes, I love soccer. Let's play together. Tim and Ahmed played soccer together for 1 hour. They laughed and had a great time. Now they are best friends. They will plan to play soccer every weekend. Now I'm going to ask you some questions about the story. When did Tim go to the park? On Sunday. Last Sunday. What time? He went to the park at 10 in the morning or at 10 a.m. Who did he see? He saw a guy. Did he see a child? No, a guy is not a child. A guy is a man, maybe like 20 years old or older or 18 years old. That is a guy. If someone is 10, maybe you say a boy or a child. But he did not see a child. He saw a guy. Okay? What did he say to the guy? He said, good morning. Why did he say good morning? Well, because it was the morning. It was 10 in the morning. That's why he didn't say good afternoon or good evening. He said good morning. What was his name? What was the guy's name? His name was Ahmed. His name was Ahmed. Where was he from? That's right. He was from Jordan. Okay. How about Tim? How about Tim? Where was he from? He was from California. He was from California. Oh, by the way, what did Tim have? Or what did Tim take with him to the park? He took a soccer ball. Tim went to the park with his soccer ball at 10 a.m. So, what question did Tim ask Ahmed? He asked him, "Do you like to play soccer?" And what did Ahmed say? Or what did he answer? Well, he replied, "I love soccer. Let's play soccer together." And what did they do? They played soccer. How long did they play soccer for? They played soccer for 1 hour. They played soccer for 1 hour. Okay, that's cool. Did they have a good time? Yes, they did. They had a great time. They played soccer, they laughed, and had a great time. Okay? And what happened after that day? Well, they became best friends. That is really good. So now they are best friends. In the future, will they plan to play soccer again? Will they plan to play soccer together again? Yes, they will. They will plan to play soccer every Sunday. That is awesome. And by the way, that is how you can talk to someone by just saying good morning. And if you have a soccer ball, even better. And that's how you can make friends. So please go back and watch this lesson again. Listen to the vocabulary, pay attention to the grammar, and practice your speaking. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.